up, guys? Today in this video, we're gonna go in the OG Caves update with my friend.
Yay!
Let's go.
And we're gonna do some challenges.
Yes,
and
sir.
We gotta kill every single monster there. And we're gonna kill easiest to all the way to hardest. For example, the easiest that we're gonna be starting off in OG Caves. We're calling it the OG basement. We call it that. And the easiest one that I know about is definitely the bomb.
Oh my God!
It doesn't matter which bomb we have.
Let's go.
Gotta be a bomb.
Let's do it right now.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot.
Wait, I need a grappler.
Oh, I have one already.
Guys, look at my stash. So cool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
By the way, if you guys have seen that short about that green cat, there was a picture of a green cat. That was me. That was me. And if you guys don't like the video and comment, I love this picture, I just switched my character up a little bit. It's still the same color code, but it's just a little bit darker on the gorilla.
Let's go, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Crap, bro. Floppily flop. Skibbity toilet.
By the way, guys, I recommend subscribing to him.
Yes, sir. Yeah, can subscribe.
We have
and
only
then
made like a...
Wait, guys.
If
we reach 50 subs on this video, I'm gonna do a new video. Yeah, of something else. I don't know.
No, how about if this video gets pretty many likes and a little bit of subscribers, especially the views. If it gets, we're gonna make some more videos, so we hope you love it.
Yes, sir.
What the hell?
Oh
my
feet,
God! No way! Yeah.
Oh, that's the bomb.
Kill it! Oh, watch out!
That kills it. That counts as killing.
We bring the boom! That's what we do! We bring the boom!
Alright, the next one that is coming up is...
We're just gonna mine to get some diamonds.
Let's do Armstrong. That's needed.
Wait, let me just mine some. Let me just mine the. Let me mine. Oh, a lot of purple crystals. A lot.
I found an RPG and a bomb.
RPG?
Yeah, it's loaded. I'm killing Armstrong right now. Yeah, we got it. Now to make it much more harder. Now here's the RPG. Here's the RPG, dude. Here's the RPG. It's loaded. Dude, this is a trick. This is a trick that I learned from one of my other friends. It's actually really fun.
Show him!
You gotta do this.
No!
Oh my God!
Oh mama! Oh!
Damn! And another one was red like peanut, which we already killed.
Guys, be killed.
Now we're gonna move on to the
2 times.
Now we're gonna move on to the ogre.
Okay,
Now
by the way,
move
we're
on to
gonna
the
kill
ogre.
red light, green light 5 times, ogre 3 times, and the bomb like 2 times. Oh, freaking hell!
Killed it 2 times.
What the heck, bro? Kill it!
We gotta kill the fish.
Where you at, bro? Where you at? Oh my God! I died, bro.
Did you die?
Yeah. Maybe not the smarter choice to put like, yeah, a pickaxe. Hello. Stupid bad boy. Gotta go. Bum, 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 bum. By the way, guys, please, I need more subs.
I killed the ogre. Now we're gonna move on to.
Away. No, actually 19. So come on, guys, we can reach it. And if we reach it, I'm gonna face reveal. Actually, though.
Yo, where are you?
I'm trying to get my stuff.
Did you get him? Did you get your stuff? What about your grappler? What happened to your grappler? Oh, there it is. Come on.
Let's go kill the fishy.
I have killed the fish already.
God damn you. Oh yeah.
Dude, I've killed the fish.
Fanya.
Come on, let's move on to the... And I've killed the ogre.
And where should we go
Let's
now?
move on to the chicken.
Oh, the
I've
chicken,
killed
okay.
The turkey,
Let's go to the chicken.
now the big chicken.
It's this way.
Turkey too.
We gotta hurry, bro. We can't have this video like a two. Fucking.
I killed a turkey too then. I don't know.
Oh, frick. Frickle frackle.
You ugly piece of...
Ugly piece of crap. Oh, yeah.
Let's take this. Take this. Or you can take the egg. We're gonna sell all of these at the end of the video.
We're not gonna get a much.
We're gonna sell the OP things at the end of the video. If you guys are doing like, oh, kill the woman that is in the haunted mansion. It's called Toasty's. She's called Toasty's wife.
Yeah,
Oh,
but you
no,
can't kill him. It's
can't.
impossible.
Yeah, so that's why we're not gonna kill her.
Oh, frickle frackle.
Alright, come on.
We gotta
Now
go
we're
up.
gonna do the spider. Now
Yeah,
we're gonna
spider. Come on, hurry.
spider.
We gotta hurry, bro. We gotta hurry.
I'm right behind
It's
you.
the last mob. It's the last one, I think.
No, we forgot Armstrong and Meat Armstrong.
No, I already got Armstrong. I killed him.
What about Meat Armstrong?
The pink one?
Yeah, we called it the Meat Monster. Or
Yeah,
the Meat
it's over in
Armstrong.
mines. We're going there right now.
Why did my flashlight?
Okay, guys. Remember to subscribe and hit that. Okay, you don't have to, but I don't have that much subscribers.
Hey, wait for me.
I think this is my first long video. I don't know. Yeah, bro, I'm at the zip line place. Oh, I'm gonna kill a mimic. Please don't die.
We forgot to kill the mimic.
Freaking hell! I'm so low.
Dude, where are you? Are you up?
Help me! Help me!
Where are you?
I'm down here. Oh, I killed him. Bro, I'm out of time. Oh, let's go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't know if this is cheating or not, bro. Let me just try. Hello, Mr. Spider. Run for it. You're not going in here, bro. The fish is
Dude,
here.
I know where the Armstrong cave. Are you just coming here?
I'm so bad at the game.
Dude, just come here, okay?
I'm coming back.
I found a spider at least, but I don't like the spider, but I'm gonna go for it. He's looking at me! Yeah, go away! No, I'm on
Oh
top
my
of the
god. Oh,
roof.
there's my backpack.
By the way, so you know.
Oh, there's my grappler.
Of the whole cave, like. The whole cave.
I didn't die right here, did I? There's my light.
Where are you right now?
Oh, I'm trying to get my things. Trying to get my things.
Are you down there?
Yeah, I'm here. Oh, I'm here.
I found it. By the way, I don't know where the Armstrong cave is and the spiders over here. Just mine to get its attention. Make. Oh, I hear it. Kill him! Kill him!
Oh, let's
we got
go.
him.
We have
Okay.
one more. We have one more. What? Oh my
Yeah,
god.
sell that.
Put it in your backpack. Put it in your backpack. We gotta go. We gotta hurry, bro. We don't have that much time. I don't know. I don't know.
Here
where
it
you
is,
are.
here it is.
Is it here?
Here's the Armstrong cave, as you know.
Oh, frick.
Oh. I'm gonna take this one. Oh, here's the meat.
Oh, there he
Armstrong.
is. There he is. Kill him.
We gotta kill him. We gotta
Yes!
kill him 2 times.
I'm just gonna put it
Or
in my
just put these
backpack.
in your backpack. Don't open it. Mystery.
Oh!
We're gonna become a mystery. Ow, ow.
Well, we gotta hurry. We can't be here for long, bro. They're gonna respawn.
We're gonna wait until the meat Armstrong is gonna spawn.
No, we killed him already. Come on. We gotta go.
Alright. Come on. Oh no, wrong way.
Bro, you can literally just go here.
Oh, you mind?
Bro, who's in our car? For God's sake.
What's that? Bro, it's me! Skeleton!
Oh my God.
Skeleton! It's me! Skeleton, it's me!
I know.
Skeleton!
I know. Just put it in. Put
No,
it in.
don't sell.
Put it in.
Don't sell it.
Don't kill us, bro. We're trying to say. Okay. Come on, bro. We didn't get anything
Sell all
good.
of these.
Come on, hurry, bro. Let's do it. Oh my god! Oh, freaking yeah.
Can you maybe leave? Can you maybe leave?
Guys, that's the end of the video. This selling machine, this gold piece gets 1 big boom. Boom!